Have you ever opened your door to find someone handing you legal papers? That heart-dropping moment when you realize you're being sued is something no one wants to experience. But in Florida, thousands face this reality every year, and what you do in the next 20 days can make or break your future. I'm Santiago Cueto, board-certified international business lawyer, and today I'm going to walk you through exactly what happens when you're served with a lawsuit in Florida and the critical steps you need to take immediately. Florida law gives you exactly 20 days from the moment you're served, not when the lawsuit was filed, but when those papers physically reach your hands. And within those 20 days, you have three options: do nothing and automatically lose, file an answer to the complaint, or file a motion to dismiss. Choose wrong, and you could be facing not just the lawsuit amount, but potentially thousands in unnecessary attorney's fees. When you work with an experienced counsel like our team at Cueto Law Group, we immediately stop the clock by filing a notice of appearance. This prevents a clerk's default judgment and gives us time to properly evaluate your case. We can often negotiate extensions with opposing counsel to develop the strongest possible defense strategy. Visit our website or call us today to schedule your consultation. Don't face this challenge alone. Having experienced legal counsel can make all the difference in the outcome of your case.